Hello and welcome to the Thinkstack tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to train your chatbot using CSV files as the data source. So let's get started. First, you have to sign into your Thinkstack account and then select the chatbot that you want to train. Now navigate to the sources section and from the left side menu, select CSV. Now this is where you will be uploading the CSV file, but before uploading the CSV file, make sure that your CSV file follows all these formatting requirements. So I have a CSV file called as electronic sales, which contains all the sales related information for all these products that were sold in the year 2023 and 2024. So the first thing is, make sure that your CSV file contains rows not more than 5000. And also make sure that your CSV file contains columns not more than 20. Mine is within the limit, so it's good to go. And also, if you pay attention to the column name, which has more than 2 words with the space separated, then just go ahead and replace the space with an underscore. So wherever you find such column names with 2 or more words separated with the space, just replace the space with an underscore. So I have done the same step for all of the column names and my CSV file is now very well formatted. So it's time to upload the CSV file for training. I'll just go ahead and select the CSV file which was just formatted and click on upload. Also note that the file size shouldn't exceed 50 MB. So the limit is 50 MB and mine is 595 KB, which is great. So I have my CSV file which is very well formatted and also within the file size limit. So now it's time to train the chatbot. Let me click on train button to initiate the training. Now once the files gets uploaded, you will see a validation window like this. This contains my file name and an auto-generated file description which describes about what kind of data is present in that particular CSV file. You will also see the column name, the column description and sample values, which is nothing but the values taken from the first row. We have to make sure that all the auto-generated description are accurate because this auto-generated description will act as context for our chatbot to understand what kind of data is present in each and every column and in the overall file. So whenever you ask a question, with the help of this context, it will definitely go ahead and retrieve the right data and give you the accurate results. So once you review everything and once everything looks accurate to you, simply go ahead and click on update to save the changes. After saving the changes, you can notice that the status of the training is completed. So now my chatbot is trained with electronic sales CSV file. Now it's time to test our chatbot. To do that, let's go to the preview section. And here I will ask a question related to the CSV file that we just used for training. Let's ask what were the total number of smartphones that were sold. The chatbot says 10,736 smartphones were sold. Let's see if that's correct. I'll go here, I'll add a filter only for smartphone and let's count the quantity. Alright, the answer is 10,736, which is what the chatbot has given. That's right answer. Let's ask one more question. I'm interested in knowing what is the most preferred payment method used by the customer. So let me just ask that. Alright, the chatbot says the PayPal is the most preferred payment method with 1293 users using it. That's great. What about the rest of them? As you can see, it has given me a descriptive answer about other payment methods as well. So you can ask any question related to the CSV file that you have used for training. But in order to retrieve the data in the CSV file, you might have to apply multiple filters. But with the chatbot, you can ask equivalent question for those filters and get the results right away. So that's how easy it is to train your chatbot using CSV file in Thinkstack. Thanks for watching.